In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reprint QuickBooks Online Paychecks. Whether you're reconciling past records or simply need a physical copy for your files, reprinting paychecks in QuickBooks Online is straightforward once you know the steps. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to efficiently navigate your way through this process without any hassle. Let's begin by heading over to QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in and are on the dashboard, direct your attention to the search bar, located conveniently at the top of your screen. This is your gateway to the advanced search functionalities within QuickBooks Online, enabling you to locate specific transactions with ease. Click on the search bar, and you'll notice a drop-down menu that appears for more specific search options. From this menu, select Advanced Transactions Search. This will open a more detailed search panel tailored to finding transactions in varying categories, which is especially useful when dealing with a large number of entries. Now, with the Advanced Transactions search open, your next step is to change the transaction type to check. This adjustment is crucial because it allows QuickBooks to filter through transactions specifically categorized as checks, helping to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Once you set the transaction type to check, take advantage of additional sorting tools provided by QuickBooks. These tools can include filters like date ranges, payee names, or amounts, among others. Leveraging these options can significantly streamline the process of locating the exact paycheck you wish to reprint, especially if you are handling a sizable volume of transactions. Once you've narrowed down your search and have located the correct check, the next step is to click on it. Clicking will open up the paycheck's detailed view, showing you all the relevant information associated with it, such as dates, amounts, and any notes you might have entered. At the bottom of this detailed view, you'll find the Print Check button, which is your key to physically reprinting the document. Click on this button and make sure your printer is connected and configured correctly. The system should prompt you to confirm your printing preferences, so take a moment to review them before proceeding, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you ensure that you have a physical copy of any paycheck you need precisely when you need it. Whether for record keeping, compliance, or any other purpose, having the ability to reprint paychecks in QuickBooks Online can be an incredibly useful skill. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks, and be sure to subscribe for further content.